I get. Wow, मैंने गिरा दिया. Hi guys, my name is Ritika and welcome back to my channel. आज हम जा रहे हैं शूट करने to this very beautiful place in Newtown. It's a cafe and I'm taking my mom along with me for the shoot. She's gonna help me and of course we can have some me and mom time. And yeah, very excited and the place is so beautiful. I can't wait to show you guys. So let's go. Outfit of the day is this top from Myntra. It's in the color green and I love green. It's my favorite color at the moment. And these are the Zara pants which I'm obsessed with. बिल्ली आ गई है हमारे यहाँ. कैसे आ जाती है ये बिल्ली? अब देखो बैठ गई है जैसे. चलो भाई चलो चलो चलो.
प्रेग्नेंट है लगता है.
डॉन बहुत कुछ खोल गया है. इधर देखो. Okay, so this is the place. It's called Club de Golf. And look at the view around. I'll take you guys inside also. But yeah, this is the place. This is the place. There's indoor seating there and outside seating nahi hai abhi because I think it's rainy season and wahan pe you can play golf that side. This is the view and how beautiful. The weather is very nice today and I don't think itna greenery you can see anywhere in Kolkata, like apart from Tollygunge Club, I think. And of course, if you live in Kolkata, you have to check out this place. It's so pretty. Like, अगर आप इधर आओगे, आपको लगेगा ही नहीं आप कैलकाटा में हो. And the greenery, the view, the fresh air, the breeze, everything is just amazing. So do check it out. And a little about this place. So like they have food in the cafe of course and you get veg, non-veg both. You also have alcohol, beer, everything that you need. So this is like a nice day out sort of a day. And if you like doing some activity, if you know how to play golf, this is amazing. Like mere piche you can see the golf thing. And yeah, that's about it. और भी details मैं आपको बताऊंगी. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to know anything. I am sure booking करके आना पड़ता है but mostly like if you come on a weekday it's going to be empty but I think weekends के time पे काफ़ी crowd हो जाता होगा. So yeah. Veg au gratin. This is something with chicken. This is quesadilla and this is cheese jalapeno balls and then we have beer and we have something to drink and that's the food spread for today.
चलो.
Ready? So now I'm going to show you guys the jalapeno cheese balls. Apparently ये बहुत अच्छा cheese color है. So there you go. Wow. That is crazy. Okay, अब मेरा हाथ shoot हो गया है. Done. And now how is the food? Nice?
Nice.
And beer वगैरह तुमने पिया नहीं. But this is the restaurant. This is the indoor seating. एंड अभी कोई नहीं है बिकॉज हम बहुत ऑफ टाइम पे आए हैं बट यस. So they are all practicing just. ये किधर गया? मेरे को तो बॉल दिखा भी नहीं. नहीं नहीं ठीक है. थोड़े दूर तक तो मेरे को कैमरा में दिखा फिर नहीं दिखा. दिस इज द होल बिल्डिंग. वहाँ पे पूरा गोल्फ का है ऐसे एंड या देर यहाँ पे भी सीटिंग है. मैं बोल रही हूँ अभी लगाने के लिए बट सिंस इट्स वेरी रेनी सीजन तो वो हमेशा नहीं लगाते. सो दे हैव कम्प्लीटेड 4 years तो उसके लिए अभी काफ़ी अरेंजमेंट चल रहा है. दैट इज़ वाई ऑल द चेयर्स आर केप्ट हियर. अदरवाइज यहाँ पे भी प्रॉपर दे कीप द सीटिंग एंड एवरीथिंग. And this is literally the golden hour. So yeah, golden hour is looking yeah, so the golden hour is perfect and yeah, we are done with the shoot. We ate and I took all the shots and everything. So अब क्या किया जाए? I think we'll just be here for 5-10 minutes and then we'll leave because the place is so pretty. इस तरफ से धूप.
A few moments later.
And now we are here at this store called Itsy Bitsy, बहुत amazing craft store है. Mom was also seeing some things. We needed some stationery and some paint for my food backdrop, so getting that, and a few things like sellotape and stuff like that. So yeah, but this place is really amazing. It's in Salt Lake. You have to check it out. It's really very pretty. कुछ भी चाहिए, you will find everything here, from cards to any stationery possible. Like, so yes. I'm seeing if there's anything that I can use essay for my food props and stuff, but these are all like beads and stuff. But they have these flowers that side, so I think I'm gonna check the flowers because that is something I always need. They have fake flowers and planters also. सही है, काफ़ी कुछ है. But I think I don't like the colors because I want like something very light color. अभी मुझे बहुत bright दिख रहे हैं, and एक दो तो I have only, so that is where I got the paint that's in the counter. Thinking what more can I get? Oops. My God. कैसे गिर गया? Okay. Wow, मैंने गिरा दिया.
Not much later.
Next up is Eva Brew, and I've gotten myself a coffee Mai Tai and thinking what to eat. Itsy Bitsy, and that's Eva Brew, and I got my coffee. Okay, I quickly wanted to show you guys everything that I got. So this is like a chalk paint. It's in the shade Buttermilk. ये इसमें मुझे 30% off मिला, like all of these 3 small, and the other one I have it in black color, which is like a charcoal color, and ये थोड़ा सा grayish है, which is Misty Fog, and these are water based, non-toxic, eco-friendly, great coverage, and you know all the good things and everything. So in तीनों में मुझे 30% off मिला. Then I got a varnish. Basically जब मैं अपने food board के ऊपर color कर लूँगी, I will just put this so that the color doesn't go off. I got this. Mummy got something, and this is the brush that I got. It's so soft, you guys. Like इतना soft है मैं बता नहीं सकती. It's super soft. And my total bill was 8. So the total was 935, but I got 800 में सब कुछ. Not bad, and this is all made in India. Okay, so back home, and now I'm gonna try my coffee. Oh my god, the packaging is pretty good. उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से seal करके मुझे दे दिया. I think this is something that all coffee shop should do for takeaways. And like बहुत अच्छे से paper में pack हुआ है, तो it didn't spill at all. जबकि my rickshaw ride was really bumpy. But anyway, oh god, I gotta wipe this. Let's see how my coffee is. Oh my god, so nice. My coffee though is very good. I love this. It's their coffee Mai Tai. I honestly love their coffee, like be it cappuccino or anything, mocha, latte, everything is there, is quite nice. But since I don't have milk, for me the options are very limited. But I love the fact कि Eva Brew में बहुत options होते हैं. Coffee tonic is there. There's so much with coffee, lavender, and many other things. You will actually be like, you know, if you drink black coffee and if you get like bored of black coffee, this is something you should totally try. And of course, coffee Mai Tai, I'm sure the sugar portion and everything might not be it, because it's like a nice cocktail without the alcohol. So yeah, this is too good. And so refreshing. Oh my god, exactly what I needed to end this vlog. So yes, thank you so much for watching the video. If you did enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.